Cheeseburger and fries. Y'all, something about Fridays just makes me want to completely abandon all my fake, healthy, I'm eating clean, or at least trying to clean up my diet type of food that I be doing during the week, Monday through Thursday. And I just really wanted the Chef Morgan Ghetto Burger special with some fries on the side, some caramelized onions, nothing too crazy. I'm going to add a little Lowry's to it. I'm going to assemble the burger. I don't like a lot on mine. Judge your mom if you want to put all this extra stuff. I don't. That's how it came out. Now let's taste it. Okay, y'all, let's taste the burger. Let me see. Because I don't know. Ooh. Y'all, this look like the y'all remember Mondo Burger from Good Burger? That's how my burger look. Let me see. It's crazy. It's giving umami.